Want to make your iPhone battery last longer? In this video, I'll show you how to limit your iPhone's charging to 80% to help reduce battery wear and improve its long-term health. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Charging. Here you'll see the charging limit option. Simply select 80%. From now on, your iPhone will stop charging at around 80% instead of going all the way to 100%, which can help slow down battery aging over time. If you don't see the charging limit option, don't worry. This feature is only available on supported iPhone models running newer versions of iOS. On other iPhones, make sure Optimized Battery Charging is turned on. This feature learns your daily charging routine and delays charging past 80% until you need to use your phone, helping reduce battery wear. And that's it. That's how you can limit your iPhone charging to 80% and help keep your battery healthier for longer.